we have this data of students, first name, last name, the program they have enrolled, the specialization they have taken, and the amount that they have paid. Now what we want is, we want to do the consolidation of the data. And so consolidation, if you see, it combines values from multiple ranges into one new range. So we want to do the consolidation of finance, of specialization. So as you can see, there are finance, advanced Excel, marketing, HR, and NA. Different specializations are there. We would want to create this here along with the count or the amount the students have paid. So how we can do it? So we click on consolidate, and so there's already a something, we'll delete it. So it depends in consolidate. Consolidate means aggregate. How you would want to do? You would want to do sum, count, average, max, mean, whatever you want to do. So let's say we want to do consolidation of count, and the reference is, we have to select this. Okay, so we select let's say the specialization and the amount, and we are saying that we are interested in using label in the left column. This you will understand once we create the output. So we are using label in a left column, and since the data is in this sheet only, we are not going to create any link to the source data, so don't uncheck. So what we see is, we see for finance there are 41 students, advanced Excel 32 students, marketing, HR 13 students, and no specialization is 14 students. Okay, let's say if I am interested, instead of count, sum, what we could have done, we will say consolidate function sum, and reference I can take this here, and I can say okay. So you can see the amount has come over here. Now when I was saying to the left, this is to the left.